Do you want to pay for your local and international subscription? Do you want to pay for your TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Netflix, or other subscription through the Play Store? Well, in today's video, I will show you how to pay for your local and international subscription using Chipper Cash Dollar Card. If this is your first time on this channel, please stick to the end, as every point in this video will help you grow. This is my Chipper Cash account. If you have not created your Chipper Cash account, go to Google Play Store, download the Chipper Cash app and register. Use your username. Choose a username that you want and add your password. So recently this afternoon by 3:51 p.m. I converted 2,000 naira to $1.03, and I still have a remainder of $0.03. So if you want to add cash, you add cash through this place. Once you click on account detail, Chipper Cash will show you your account details that you can use to receive money from any bank, whether UBA, Zenith, or any bank of your choice. Then you can also use digital dollars, USDC, USDT, or PayUSD. That is through your Binance crypto. You can also use it to receive money. You can use your Chipper Cash to receive crypto. I'm going to show you how to pay for subscription using your Chipper Cash app. So let's go there. This is my Chipper Cash dollar card. This is it. This is my Chipper Cash dollar card. So what we are going to do here is to use it to pay for a subscription. Recently this afternoon by 12 minutes after 11, I pay for an InShot subscription. So let us go to our Google Play Store. So once you're on Google Play Store, you click on Payment and Subscription. Once you click on Payment and Subscription, the next thing is to click on this next one, Payment Method. Once you click on Payment Method, it will show the available payment method that you can use, which you have already inserted. So I have MasterCard, I have Visa card, I have bank account, but this bank account right here is not clickable, it's not working. So from this other option down here, you can add credit or debit card. Once you click on add credit or debit card, then you can now insert any card that you want to, any card number that you want to put. You can now type it here, and automatically it will be added to your Google Play. So let's try to add a card. For us to add a card, we need to click on More Payment Settings. So once we click on More Payment Settings, it will take us to our Google Payment Center. From the Google Payment Center, I can remove any card that I want. Now I want to remove this card. This MasterCard. Removing it means you won't be able to use this payment method for other Google products and services without adding it again. So I want to remove it. Once I click on remove, so our MasterCard have been removed. I'll also remove this one. This is simply an easy way to remove any card you want to remove. So from here you can choose a new payment method that you want. So what I will do here is to go to my Cheaper Cash app. So when I click on show details here, once I click on show details, the details of my card will show. I will now go back to Google Payment Center and add my card number. These services and subscription below will be paid with this new payment method. So when I click on show details here, so I'll click on save and remove. So what it does is that automatically it will save the new card that you have added and remove the old one. So save and remove. So as you can see now, your selected subscription and services now use Visa 876. Any past due balance will be charged on the new payment method.